Hi, welcome to my YouTube video. Today I'm going to be doing hairstyles, and I'm going to be showing you how I curl my hair with a straightener because it's probably one of my most asked questions. I'm really out of breath. So, my straightener is really freaking gross looking, but it's my favorite. I leave it on 410, which probably damages my hair. Anyways, I like when my straighteners have more of like a round edge. Like there's some that are more like flat, and then they're like sharper on these little edges right here. And I find that like that kinks your hair, and so I don't like it. So the way that I straighten my hair, I grab a piece. This one's already curled, but like it's fine. And I hold my straightener like this, first of all. And then I just spin my hand and I kind of hold the bottom so it doesn't slip out. And then towards the end, I kind of like drag it downwards to get more of like a beachy curl. I also have, it's called Beach Babe, Not Your Mother's, of the brand Not Your Mother's. Beach gel in my hair, so it's kind of gross, but I like dirty hair to work with. I find that it gives you better results. Also, if you're gonna do your hair, I would always, like even if you're curling your hair with a curling iron, I would always use a straightener to like fix the pieces around your face. Cause like, I don't know about anybody else, but I get like pieces under here that get like really curly, or like right around here if I have a cowlick. They get like really curly, and I feel like that ruins your hairstyle sometimes. So I always like get as close to my face as I can and fix that. I don't really know any other tips for straightening your hair or straightening your hair with a curling iron besides just like barely turning it. Like if you're holding it straight in front of you, barely turn it to the side almost, and then just pull it down, if that makes sense. I'm gonna do another one. And then if you can hold, don't let it like, I don't know how to explain that. Like sometimes I'll get a piece and it will go like this. Don't let it do that because that looks ugly and it kinks your hair. So when you're doing it, hold it with like a light grip too. Like don't press really hard. I would just like barely hold it so it's like gliding down the piece of hair. And always hold on to the piece of hair at the bottom, otherwise it's just gonna slip out. So like I'll kind of like straighten it out, make it flat, and I don't take very big pieces either because I like them to be more curly. And then I go like this and then hold it down here and then lightly bring it down and then kind of straighten it out at the bottom. Okay, well that one's ugly, so just fix that. Wow, still ugly. That'll do for now. For short hair personally, I like to get it really like curly towards the top. So like I'll bend it back even further and then kind of like straighten it downwards at the bottom. I am a hairdresser, but I don't want to get dragged by people who think they know more than me, which is nobody. I'm just kidding. You know, I'm just doing me. I don't care. So even if you do hair and you think that this is stupid and it's ugly, well, sorry. I've had people ask me to do this, so giving the people what they want. I love giving. feels like hay. But you know what? I'd rather have over-processed, textured, voluminous hair than slick, straight. People always ask me how I get volume in my hair too. It's dirty all the time. I don't wash my hair for a week or a half, if I can go that long. And then I always spray hairspray in it. Sometimes I'll split my hair down the middle. See how they're all going towards my face right now? It's not a look. I'll curl them going away from my face. So, down the middle, if I want my hair to be like messy and voluminous, kind of like no part, I'll curl it like this, and then I'll flip it over, and those pieces that are now coming towards my face give me like more texture because they're not all going in the same direction. Let me show you how to curl your hair towards your face with a straightener. All my curls always go away from my face, but I'd say if you have like really slick hair and it's really soft and smooth, this is when I would alternate the curls. So I would do one going away from my face and like another, like a couple going towards my face. So going towards your face, you go like this, but you're kind of holding it like this. So your thumb's in front of it instead of like this with all your 4 fingers. That made no sense. I'll just show you. So my thumb is like this, and it's going like this way now. And I still just hold that bottom piece of hair and drag it down. And that's how you create one going towards your face. See the difference? And then the backwards one goes like with your 4 fingers towards you guys. And you just do it. You know, practice makes perfect, I think. So just keep practicing. Then I would spray my hair with a lot of hairspray. I think I used Matrix Vavoom. Also, before I forget, my top is new and it's from Urban Outfitters. I'm gonna show you how I do my messy buns. I've been liking my messy part where I just flip my hair over and curl it all away from my face. Then I will take just a ponytail. And I like to leave all of these front framing pieces out. We'll leave like these pieces out and the ones like by my ear. And then we'll take everything else. You don't have to pull pieces out around your ear. I just like to, I like more. That's probably the amount of hair I want out. So then I just gather everything to the top. I don't care if it's messy, that's why it's called a messy bun. I try and keep this going this way. Sometimes it doesn't happen, sometimes it does, but I think it looks cuter maybe. Honestly, you just have to play with it. Messy buns are like, there's no specific way I've learned to do one. So just do what you like, what you think looks good, honestly. Okay, yes. So then, this is the tricky part because nobody knows how I do this. I get all my fingers in the rubber band. I gather it around my hair. It's like this. So it's not over it yet. Then I go over it. And before I get all the way over it, I hurry and twist it. And just like flip my hand in the weirdest way. Do whatever feels wrong, and that's right. Then it's like this. Then I just take the 2 side parts and I start pulling them apart as far as I can. And that is basically it. Then Sometimes this sticks up further, so I'll like pin it, but right now it's hitting a good length, I think. This is normally what I would do anyways though, is go back in and fix my front pieces anyways. That did nothing. Also, if like some pieces like bother you, sometimes I'll just like pull them out, which seems so bad. But this is how I've done messy buns in the past. It's like I just do ponytails and then I take random pieces and shove them into my ponytail. So instead of like having 40 bobby pins in your hair, you're just like taking a piece of it and shoving it back into the ponytail. And it works sometimes. I'm obsessed with bandanas. Banandas. Obsessed with banandas. That was not funny. So, sometimes you can stick these over. I think they're the cutest with buns. Honestly, I just love bandanas for everything. That's how I wear it. Make sure to wear it over your ears because I feel like it looks kind of weird if you don't. Then I'll just take my messy hair. If it's like looking kind of weird or my part's weird or whatever, I take it like this. And then I go like, so much makeup on this. This. Slick it back. See, this doesn't look good because this is sticking out. So hold this to the side and I pull everything, my side pieces out. I love side pieces. One time my sister wanted like baby hairs, like wispies, and she like thought she didn't have any, which everybody kind of does. Just breaks around your face, even if they're little, you know. And she took scissors and just straightened it out and just, yeah, she did that. It was really ugly, so I don't recommend doing that. If anything, if you want side pieces and you're gonna cut it, I would take scissors and slide cut. Like barely even move the scissors and just kind of barely go down. Don't just, this is this final look. I just like my front pieces. And I don't like them when it's like my part's like laying down either. So for that, I would split my hair down the middle and kind of wash it like that. Like make sure it's like, when you get out of the shower, let it dry in the middle part. And then maybe curl it that way, or you can flip it over and curl it all away of your, like away from your face. But that kind of gives you that not really defined harsh part right here. But yep, that's how I wear my bandanas. My low buns, I just honestly pull out a ton of front pieces like this. Always front pieces. It just frames your face. There is sometimes where some people like look, if you have a really nice face, sometimes it looks better without it, but I don't. So anyways, take the back and I just do the same thing, kind of like that weird little, and then this. And honestly, I don't know what this looks like back here, but I feel like when it's a low bun back there, it doesn't care. Or it doesn't care. Ow! So I don't know what this looks like. It could look really stupid, but to save that, you could take like a hair tie or something that's fun and put it like around it. I don't really know. So like that maybe. Then from the front, make sure it looks good. I always pull these pieces up so they're kind of like voluminous and not just sitting there flat to your head. You can spray with hairspray, or you can tease it before putting your hair in a bun. Anyways, here's a low bun. My half up. So for my half up hairdo, I don't know if I want to leave front pieces down. I feel like people have had enough of that maybe. Okay, pull everything up. It doesn't matter. It never matters. Just don't be uniform about it. If you're gonna be uniform about it, then just click out of this video. I'm just kidding. At least give me a thumbs up. But this is how I like mine. Okay? Just like kind of go around and make sure it's like at least a little bit even around the back and stuff. And you need a decent amount of hair, you know? This is my ponytail. It broke, and then I just tied it in a knot. So it's small. So get a smaller ponytail for this one because you have less hair, you know? And then you just do the same thing. Like this. You put it like this. Then you bring it through and you just flip it as crazy as you can. And just like mess it up while it's like in your hands. That's the best way to do it, I think. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, what's popping? That's good. Yeah, I like that. I'm pretty happy with that, so. Then I would go around and at least make sure the underneath is like curled or something. This is just like a scrunchie with like a tie. I don't know where I found it. Probably Kmart. But it might look cute around it. It looks alright. I kind of feel like a baby. But if that's the look you're going for, then it's not. This could apply to kids. Like 9-year-olds are like watching these videos now these days. So that's fine. That's personally not me, and I'm not really feeling this hairstyle right now, but that's that. Oh my gosh, I was supposed to go on a date tonight, and I totally forgot. What time even is it? It's like 30 minutes past the date, but, so that's that. I think I'm gonna do a sportswear haul, like styling sportswear for like the gym. Because I feel like when you're going to the gym and you have cute clothes, it's so much easier to go. So I have a lot of like good quality leggings. They're a little bit pricey, but you know, they look good on your butt. So that's that. I think that's my next video. So that's all for today. Like and subscribe.
Sorry.
And comment below. Hold this. I have to do something way cool.
Okay. Way cool.